everyone, this is Celeste. I'm gonna quickly show you what moisturizer that I've been using. It's like for almost 8 months. Okay, so this is the product. So this is called the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream, Brightening Dewy Skin. This is 50 ml. So what are the benefits? It has brightening, anti-melasma, anti-aging, smoothening, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and it stimulates the production of collagen. It is very moisturizing and it reveals the natural, healthy looking glow. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys. So this is my bare face. So this is how it looks like.